Hi, this is Chaz from FSR, and we're standing in front of our display for the brand new digital ribbon HDMI extender cable. It's really a unique product in that you can extend your HDMI signal up to 100 meters and it requires absolutely no power. The cable is a composite polymer fiber cable with integrated copper strands to carry the DDC signal from the HDMI source to your display. Nice part about this product, it's a very pliable cable. It has a very tight bend radius. You can run it through as small as a 1-inch conduit, and again, it requires no power whatsoever. I invite you to come see it here at booth number 2259 or visit us on the web at www.fsrinc.com.